How to pay MTN quick loan. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a step by step on how to pay your MTN quick loan. Okay, so by the end of this video, you are going to know how to pay your MTN quick loan. Okay, so I don't want to waste my time. Let's move straight forward. Okay, so after you have borrowed MTN money and your time is due and you want to pay back, okay, this one is very simple. Okay, so what you have to do is you dial *170 hash. Okay, so after dialing *170 hash, then you choose option 5. Okay, so when you select option 5, okay, then you go to option 3. Okay, so option 3 is loans. Okay, so then you click on option 3, and then when you select option 3 loans, then it will open quick loan, extra cash and other loans. Okay, then you select quick loan. Okay, so it will appear if you want to borrow or if you want to repay your loan. Okay, then you select repay my loan. Okay, so when you select, they will send you SMS that you have paid your loan successful. Okay, so this is a simple process you can go through and then repay your quick loan on MTN. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, here is Pretty Abigail channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching it, and I'll see you in my next video.